I've had about 2.5 years worth of growth in less than 3 months. But good evening. Today is day 12. We have done our run early in the morning, as we are always doing every single day. We've done our 12-minute jog. It is the evening. You've never actually caught me in a video so far in the evening. I'm usually vlogging in the morning just after my run, but today was a different kind of day. So today we went and networked with a very interesting gentleman. It was very nice to see, actually, someone who shared very similar interests to me. I very rarely come across people that I can have very interesting conversations. I'm not really one for small talk. I keep myself to myself, so it was very refreshing. Now we have plans to do a lot of different business together in the networking space to really help out people that are involving themselves with artificial intelligence and startups. You'll see a lot more you'll see a lot more of him and these networking events posted on this channel. But my 12-minute jog this morning, I did plan to get up at 6 AM, but I slept pretty late and I ate quite late last night, so I didn't sleep too well. It actually was quite hard to fall asleep, so I still got my 6 hours in, but I woke up around 8:30. We had a meeting at 11 AM and it's about an hour for me to get there. So all in all, we were early as always because I'm an impeccable timekeeper. I'm a real man. I like to keep on time. I get anxiety about timekeeping, and I think you should do too. Now, I do have a brand new microphone here, as you can see, and I wanted to test it out today. So I'm really glad I got the chance to actually use this before. I think it's a bit high up, actually. I'm just going to quickly move it. Now, I've been on YouTube for 7 days now, total a week, and I'm finding it interesting. I'm just really trying to make videos that people will resonate with, but that are factual based, informational based, and things I've experienced, either got over myself or things I've researched heavily, because I really don't appreciate when I see people talk on a topic they don't know much about. So I'm making sure that everything I speak about, I've done at least 1,000 hours of sort of research and had my own personal experience and whatnot. But how's the new microphone? Comment down below. I'm not really too sure what to talk about because I'm usually in the zone when it comes to my jogging, and I haven't really planned anything. I just thought, you know, it's part of my daily vlogs, my routine. So that is why I'm trying to stick to this. But this universe is made up of energy and frequencies, so this is your time to start exercising right now. Make sure that you are starting exercise daily. It is not a chore, it is a routine. You must not look at exercise as a chore. You must exercise, you must work, you must sacrifice your labor to the unknown energies and forces, and you will receive blessings and good things in advance. Now, if you're struggling to start out and you're a bit overwhelmed, start with just 5 minutes per day, as that is all you need to be starting with. Please comment down below what things you'd like me to make videos on. That'd be really sort of good to know where my audience is. I've only just started to get some demographics in because YouTube Studio is a bit slow like that, and I haven't really been getting the audience for it to analyze the data properly. But it seems like most of you are actually in the US, which is interesting because I thought it would localize, but clearly it does not. And I'm just going to go into a bit about what I'm doing. So what I do as a business is in the realms of artificial intelligence. The networking events I was talking about are going to be based on what I have taught myself and plan to teach people on YouTube of how to merge your life with AI. Because I mean, I've had about 2.5 years worth of growth in less than 3 months by just using the right softwares and knowing how to input to get the desired outputs that I wanted. And you can really excel anything in health, wealth, and relationships by using artificial intelligence. And it's something I'd love to share with you guys. So I do actually have a free group available in the link in the description. It is called Limitless-AI Society. Feel free to check it out, and you can start merging your life with AI right now before you get absolutely swept away, because I promise you, if you do not start implementing these technologies and using them in your everyday life, lo and behold, the people that start the latest will regret heavily. I also do one-to-one coaching if you are interested in using the methodologies that I have invented and learnt myself, where basically I will take everything that you're doing at the moment and I will teach you how to go from one place of not implementing AI in your business, or maybe you're not implementing it in your health, you're not implementing it in whichever direction, you're not actually using it to its full potential. I will take that information and I will just show you exactly how to use the systems. I'll keep in contact with you. I'll basically become your mentor, and you will also be able to excel every single part of your life and get years and years of performance in just a few months. And you'll be at the forefront of this new technology that is out, and it is those that adapt are the ones that survive. But catch me tomorrow for day 13, and check out the rest of my videos if you haven't already, because I talk about some very, very interesting, fascinating topics. And I've lived, for the time I've been on this earth, I've lived some serious, serious hardships, and I've experienced and gained a lot of knowledge and studied some fields incredibly deeply, to a level where I know what I'm talking about. And you will learn something, guaranteed. And I wish everyone the best.